Hello everyone, gshock here. Today we're gonna have a look at a vintage MRG-110, a full metal square G-Shock watch released in the year 1996. It is amazing what Casio could already achieve back in like literally 2 decades all ago. Before I get to the details, I'm wearing this square and kinda square carbon core model, which is in all black, gorgeous looking piece, and I'll be giving away one of this and that colorway to one lucky winner if you enter the giveaway. All the steps listed down in the description box below. Go right ahead, enter it, and I'll announce it in 2 weeks time. Anyway, back to this piece. There is a really solid piece. Solid construction, solid end links, you can hear that really nice. Solid bezel because it's locked with 4 screws on each corner. That is insanely cool. Solid body for the screw down case back. It is matte finish, and also solid function as well. You know what, let's have a look at the function right away. All of them had been already listed down on the watch face. This one has dated and timekeeping, really large timekeeping down here, hour, minutes and second. I haven't set it up, so just ignore the data. Next we'll have alarm, only one of them, with specific date setup and signal. And then you'll have a countdown timer to 24-hour range while having timekeeping on top. And next is stopwatch to also 24-hour range with split time. While using split, you could still have timekeeping on top, and back to home timekeeping. That's pretty much it. Really simple. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, back to home time. That is really solid functions. All you need for just simple day-to-day wear. Of course, you do have this 12-hour or 24-hour time format and EL backlighting, which will glow in blue colorway, which I found to be really beautiful. Without any auto light function, but it is still really nice things to have. Okay, as you guys could already see by now, it is fully stainless steel. There are other version that is made out of titanium. This is stainless steel version. It is really solid. This lug part is locked with a pin and collar type of bar. The rest of the link is locked with the pin bar like this, not one of those spring ones. It is solid end, by the way, just in case you guys didn't know. Really nice G-Shock watch. And you know what, I'm going to be wearing this right away just to show you guys how it will be looking like. Remove the squares, and I already adjust the size to my 15 centimeters circumference wrist size. And damn, there we go. G-Shock MRG sign buckle, triple foldable clasp, gloss finish. This watch is fully made in Japan, and look at that. This is really nice things to have. It looks like the new square full metal ones, except it is vintage. I mean, there's a lot of scratch, so it didn't appear as flashy as it is brand new. But you know what? I think it's pretty nice. It is not as flashy. The size is 46 on the width side. The length, lug to lug length, is about 47. The thickness is 16.5 something millimeters, which is pretty big. But for a G-Shock watch, that is standard size. The only problem that I could find, I mean, there's not a problem at all, but if I have to find one, I gotta say that's the button. They have a lot of space on this button guard area, but the button is only small size, similar as these ones. If you guys didn't know, this GA2100 feature a bigger button despite having a smaller thickness, which is nice. But by the way, since the button guard aren't as thick as the one on this model, look at that. You could still access the button while using the function, so I don't think I'm gonna need bigger buttons because it is very easy to access anyway, so no problem, right? And other than that, I don't have any more complaint. This is the way it is. Very simple, straightforward G-Shock watch in metal. First retails at 40,000 Japanese yen, which is expensive, but I'm sure you could buy one of these around 100 bucks plus minus. So really affordable G-Shock watch, really solid. If you don't want any amount of those like NRDG, don't want world time, any of those extra feature, this is it. Fully battery operated MRG, meaning premium quality in the construction G-Shock watch. The backplate, however, this is unnecessary, but they're still gonna add this resin part. I mean, this didn't really serve much except for shock absorptions, but other than that, you don't really need this. The backplate, of course, screw down case back, fully metal models, of course, and you'll have here MRG sign, which is really nice. Look at all the details. So it works on Casio 1569, which is simple. I already demonstrated that just now. MRG-110, stainless steel, water resistant, 20 bar, shock resistant, and Japan A. some sort of batch number down there. I'm not sure what those represents, but this is it, full metal square MRG G-Shock watch. If you don't know about this, now you do. Really cool model. And I guess that should sums up all the things that I could share about this model. If you want to buy one, go ahead, look for it from your Japan auction or on eBay. I'll try to find links somewhere if I can, but go to buyee.jp if you want to buy this directly from Japan, which I'm sure going to be pretty easy to get. Or just look on your local thrift store, probably you'll find one of these at a really affordable price as well. That should sums it all. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support and for entering the giveaway. This is GHF and I'm